Shepard's for Statutes for the Advanced Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. Statutes mean what they say, but more than that, they mean what a court says they mean. When you are asked if a particular statute applies in a particular situation, you aren't being asked to speculate, you are being asked to research the case law that interprets and applies the statute. Shepard's for Statutes is a tool on Lexis that can help you identify and navigate all documents on Lexis that could affect the interpretation or validity of a statute. When a document is added to Lexis, it is searched for citations. When the search program finds a statutory citation, it adds a reference to that new document in the Shepard's display for that statute. Documents are included as either citing decisions or other citing sources. Editors examine cases citing the statute to determine if the case provides negative, positive, or neutral analysis of the statute, or if the statute is merely cited by the case. You can filter citing cases by analysis, court, or timeline, and you can also run a Boolean search within the Shepard's results set. Shepard's also gives you the option of sorting your results by court level, date, or analysis. A particularly useful feature of Shepard's is the link that allows the researcher to restrict results to subsection reports by specific court citation. Shepard's identifies all decisions and other citing references that have cited to a statute by a particular subsection exactly as cited by the court. This feature is unique to Shepard's on Lexis. For example, we can request to see the 162 documents that have cited to subsection A2 of 17 U.S.C. 102, musical works, as subject matter of copyright. The 98 cases listed here mention this particular subsection of this statute. Under other citing sources are references to 36 law review articles, 26 court documents, 2 treatises, and 1 annotated code section, all citing the subsection A2 of 17 U.S.C. 102. If there is negative treatment of the statute, Shepard's displays a little alert button next to the words "Shepardize this document" to the right of the text of the code section. Shepard's also alerts us to the fact that there is pending legislation, which if passed could alter the language of the statute, with a yellow yield sign. The default Shepard's display is highest court reverse chronological order. So to see the most negative treatment, click on the word warning. With the warning filter on, we have quick access to the cases holding this statute unconstitutional or unconstitutional in part. Here is a U.S. Supreme Court case holding this statute unconstitutional in part. Rather than filter, we could change the sort order of our Shepard's display from court level to treatment, arranging citing decisions from most negative to most positive. Again, we see the pending legislation link. Pending legislation shows us that 2 bills have been introduced in the current Congress that propose to amend, repeal, or enact a change to 15 U.S.C. Section 1052. Both bills are for the Fair Licensing Access for Governments Act of 2019. Scrolling down on the bill page, we can see that Lexis predicts this bill currently has a very low chance of passage. Even further down is the actual text of the bill and the 9 words it would add to this U.S. Code section if it were to be enacted.